Okay, chapter 2, polynomials. I'll teach you one example now. Page number 46, example 18. Page number 46, example 18. If both x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are factors of this polynomial, then show that p is equal to r. So this is your polynomial. These two are the divisors. Both are the factors of this polynomial, then show that p is equal to r. So let px is equal to px square plus 5x plus r. Now for first case, let us take the divisor x minus 2. So divisor equal to x minus 2. Take this outside, make it equal to 0. Like how to find the zeros, like that. So x is equal to 2. That value we can use for a. I repeat again. A is nothing but a real number. While using remainder theorem and factor theorem, we are using this symbol a. So for x, how much you are getting, that's the value for a also. Now since x minus 2 is a factor of px, therefore p of a equals to 0. In place of a, you can substitute 2. So p of 2 equals to 0. Now in this polynomial, wherever x is available, let us replace 2. So p into 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus r equals to 0. 2 square 4, 4 into p plus 5 to the 10 plus r equals to 0. Take this 10 towards right side. So 4p plus r equals to minus 10. Let us mark this one as a condition 1. Now second case. Your divisor is x minus 2. Polynomial same. Take this x minus 2 equals to 0. Get the value for x. X is 1 by 2. So a is also 1 by 2. Since x minus 1 by 2 is a factor of px, therefore p of a equals to 0. A is 1 by 2. So p of 1 by 2 equals to 0. Now let us put this 1 by 2 in your original polynomial. I'll show you the polynomial once more. This is your original polynomial. Px square plus 5x plus r. Now in place of x, let us substitute 1 by 2. So p into 1 by 2 whole square plus 5 into 1 by 2 plus r equals to 0. P into 1 by 4 plus 5 by 2 plus r equals to 0. P into 1 by 4 became p by 4 plus 5 by 2 plus r by 1 equals to 0. Let us go for LCM. I hope you can find out LCM. For all these denominators, LCM will be 4. So 4 1s are 4. P into 1, P only. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. 1 4s are 4, 4 into R, 4R equals to 0. If this 4 goes towards right side, 0 into 4, 0 only. So P plus 10 plus 4R equals to 0. P plus 4R equals to minus 10. Let us mark this one by condition 2. Earlier we had condition 1 also. This is your condition 1. 4p plus r equals to minus 10, right side minus 10. In condition 2 also, right side minus 10. Since both the right sides are matching, then both the left side also will match. According to Euclid's geometry, you know that things which are equal to the same things, they are equal to one another. So from condition 1, left hand side, from condition 2, left hand side, both are equal because their right sides also same, minus 10, minus 10. So both the left side make it equal. Now p, let us take it together. R, you can take it together. After subtraction, you will be getting 3p equal to 3r. 3 cut, p is equal to r. They told us to prove p is equal to r. Disproved. One of the good question, something different. That's why I am teaching you. Now, to start exercise 2.5, we have lot of algebraical identities. That is formula, which I am going to give you. Number 1, straightforward, you are going to memorize it. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Remember that in between signs should be positive. First term, whatever you will have, you will take at first. That is your a here. Second term for second. Even for all the other questions, if the format is like this, then you can apply this formula. So remember, a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. If in between minus is coming, then a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is your first formula. This is your second formula. We had in earlier classes also. Now third formula, a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. You don't need to prove anything here. Straightforward, memorize it and utilize it while solving 2.5. So a plus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Fourth one, a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. Number 5, a plus b plus c whole square. If inside the bracket 3 numbers by addition you are getting, 3 terms by addition you are getting, then a plus b plus c whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So if you are getting like this form, a plus b plus c whole square, then you can write a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now number 6, we had earlier classes also. X plus a into x plus b, two different binomials, but both the first term is matching x and both the second term is different, and as a product you are getting, then formula is x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Remember that in place of a and b you will be getting a real number. So when this format you are getting, where first number is matching, second number it is different, then x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Number 7, a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. You can utilize by this way. If you are getting power 3, then a minus b whole cube formula, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Number 9, a cube plus b cube. As a condition, your formula will be a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. This we are getting from this only. And a cube minus b cube formula, a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. These two formulas can be utilized when some sort of conditions are given in the question, like value of a plus b is available to you, ab is available to you, a minus b is available to you, value of ab is available to you. In that case, you can utilize this formula for finding the value for a cube plus b cube. Mind it, on condition, if the values are available for a plus b and ab, a minus b and ab, then you can utilize these two formulas for finding a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. Both the formulas are coming from number 7 and number 8. Now from number 7 we are getting formula number 9, and from number 8 we are getting number 10. Again, we have another formula, a cube plus b cube. For factorization we will be using this. Mind it, this is on condition and this is for factorization. So a cube plus b cube formula, a plus b into, that is first factor, and second factor will be a square minus ab plus b square. Even a cube minus b cube also, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. These two formulas will be utilizing if the question is given, find the factors, factorize the following polynomial. If they are saying something like that, then you can utilize a cube plus b cube as a factor, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and a cube minus b cube formula, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Number 13 now, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to, when 3 items are cube, in between plus sign and minus 3abc extra you are getting. If the format is like this, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, then while factorizing, your first part will come out a plus b plus c, and second part a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. From this, on condition, one more formula we can create, number 14. When a plus b plus c equals to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. A square plus b square formula, a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole square minus 2ab, you can utilize it. Again, a square plus b square, if necessary, you can use another formula, a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Both are same formula for a square plus b square. One you can use a plus b whole square minus 2ab, another a minus b whole square plus 2ab. And a minus b whole square, another formula in future we will be using, that is a plus b whole square minus 4ab. These are the formula list, that is algebraic identities for 2.5. All the formulas we need for 2.5. So first few formulas you had in earlier classes also. You need to memorize it, all the formulas. So according to that, when the question comes, you can utilize this formula. Total 14 formulas I have given at a stretch, and 3 I am giving extra. If necessary, you will utilize it, otherwise no. Now exercise 2.5. Look at the first example, first MCQ. Question number A. Choose the correct option. On factorizing 4x square plus 1 plus 4x, we get what? Look at the given expression, a polynomial. You have 4x square plus 1 plus 4x. Take this outside. Since MCQ we are doing, you can do it in a rough. 4x square plus 1 plus 4x. This is square number. This also square number, that is mixed because x is there. So when both are square and middle is mixed, you can apply this formula: a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Let us rearrange this. 4x square first, middle you bring this plus 4x, then plus 1. Now try to apply this formula. Compare this with right side of the formula. Try to make this one as a square. As you know that 4 is 2 square. So 4x square we can make it 2x full bracket and whole square. Plus 2ab. 2 into, this is your a, 2x is your a, into something you will put to get this back. So 2 2s are already 4x. So 4x into 1, 4x. Now this one you can use as a b square, which is coming 1 square. So whatever expression we have, first one you are trying to make as a square, middle is coming obviously 2ab, third one plus b square, which is equal to a plus b whole square. Your a is 2x, b is 1. This is a square, this is 2ab, this is b square. So a plus b full bracket and whole square. Right option is B. Now, second MCQ, on factorizing 4x square plus y square plus 1 plus 4xy plus 2y plus 4x, we get what? After factorization. Take this outside. We could say that total 6 terms are available. Total 6 terms are available. So 6 terms we used to get in this formula. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So after seeing the question immediate, you are going to decide the formula. Now, first one, let us make it a square. 4 we can make it 2 square. So both together 2x whole square. Then y we can make it y square. Plus 1 we can make it 1 square. Plus 2 into, this is your a, b, c. Inside the bracket whatever you are getting a, b, c. So 2ab. So 2 into 2x into y. Definitely this will match with this. Plus 2bc. 2 into b is y, b is y, c is 1. If you will multiply, you will get back this one. Third one 2ca. 2 into c is 1 and a is 2x. But if you will multiply this, you will get back this one. That means whatever question you have, after writing this question, try to compare with the right side of the formula, and you will be getting a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, you are going to make by yourself, plus 2bc plus 2ca, which is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. That is, a is 2x plus b is y plus c is 1 full bracket and whole square. So your right option after factorization, you are getting option D as a correct option, 2x plus y plus 1 bracket and whole square. With this, I will conclude today. Bye for today.